Welcome back. Thank you for staying with News Desk. My name is Kelly Boss. I'm here for Business at One. Now, we start in the energy sector, where President William Ruto has officiated the signing of 14 major contracts worth 10 billion shillings, aimed at bringing power to communities across 12 counties. The initiative is set to establish 113 mini, significantly improving electricity access to remote areas in Turkana, Marsabit, Samburu, Isiolo, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, Tana River, Lamu, Kilifi, Kwale, and Narok. The president reiterated Kenya's commitment to achieving 100% clean energy grid by 2030, noting that the installations are being hybridized by solar photovoltaic systems.
We are sure, Your Excellency, that with this pace of development, especially in the energy sector, by the time you will be completing your second term, Your Excellency, God willing, this country would have made very, very serious steps in terms of development.
Today, we signed contracts worth 11.6 billion to extend electricity to communities that have remained on the fringes of development for far too long. As you're aware, 76% or thereabout of Kenya is in the asal parts of our republic. And for a very long time, they have been left behind because of the expansiveness of that region and because of other difficulties of communication, connectivity, and other challenges that have bedeviled that corner of Kenya for a very long time.
Now let's move on to Kilifi, where food security